Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called golden visas throughout ASEAN. These golden visas, this seems to be a major trend. I mean, Malaysia, my second home, that's been on the go for, I don't know, probably before I even got out to Southeast Asia. I want to say that's been going like 20 odd years. But for the most part, all these different countries, they really haven't had these kind of long-term high-end visas. And now you're seeing them sort of turn on the tap, if you will, with respect to these. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article's titled, Pattaya's Retirees Unlikely to Apply for a Golden Visa. Quoting directly, in seeking to promote Thailand to the super rich and or highly paid professionals, authorities have to compete with other Asian countries. Singapore has introduced its Overseas Networks and Expertise Pass, which offers a 5-year visa to top earners. Indonesia is offering remote workers, digital nomads, a straightforward no-tax deal, whilst Malaysia's long-established second home program is easier to digest than Bangkok's BOI bureaucracy. Quoting further, Cambodia is offering 10-year visas, property perks, and even possibility of citizenship to investors, although the details are admittedly still cloudy. Yeah, good point on that. This is me talking. Just as cloudy as in many ways the LTR has proven to be to some extent. Quoting further, Thailand's LTR visas are the first serious attempt in many years to encourage high-value foreigners to base here, but there are still too many questions and not enough answers. Well, I wouldn't say that's necessarily true. They tried the 10-year retirement visa. They also tried the SMART visa. Quite honestly, I am skeptical of how attractive these are over the long term. I think when people start to really look at them, because oftentimes I think folks who feel like they fall into the category for LTR think, oh, I just kind of press some buttons and boom, out comes a 10-year visa. Well, no, it's still adjudicated, as I've discussed with folks on the phone and things. We're just seeing the beginning of this. We don't exactly know what it looks like, but at the end of the day, there's still an adjudication. There's still an immigration presence. There's still a Ministry of Foreign Affairs presence. It's not just a matter of sort of, again, pushing the right buttons, if you will, or ticking the right boxes, and a 10-year visa just pops out. As we've also noted, it doesn't look like it's actually a just pure 10-year visa, as there's all kinds of things associated with checking in with the Revenue Department, and it's kind of a 5 and 5 in the sense, especially for like digital nomad visas. You get the first 5 years and you have to meet all the criteria, and then they kind of re-adjudicate at the 5-year mark to give you another 5 years. So it's not just this continuous thing. So again, that said, it kind of remains to be seen. We're going to try to keep people updated on this thing as it evolves.